Hi, boys and girls, you've chosen to do an activity to practice shorter and longer. You're going to need a few things. You'll need a glue stick and some scissors and this paper. You're also going to need 5 pieces of paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, your teacher might have different colors than I have here, but that's perfectly okay. So what I want you to do, if you don't have these 5 strips of paper, your scissors, your glue, and this recording sheet, you need to pause your video right now and go and get them. I'll wait for you here while you go gather your materials. Welcome back, boys and girls. I hope that you have your 5 strips of paper, your scissors, your glue, and your recording sheet. If you have all those things, then you're ready to begin. The first thing you're going to do is take your scissors and a strip of paper. What you're going to do next then is cut your paper in half anywhere you like. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to cut mine. So now I have 2 pieces of paper. Do you notice that one of them is short and one of them is long? So what I'm going to do on the next page is I'm going to glue them. On this side, it says, these are shorter. So I'm going to glue my shorter piece here. And on this side, it says, these are longer. So then I'm going to glue my longer side here. So you're going to continue to cut all your little strips of paper to shorter and longer pieces and then glue them. All the shorter ones here and all the longer ones here. I hope you have fun with this hands-on activity.